In this segment, I'm going to deal with the dosage of the HomeoPet products. And the most important thing is to read the packet. The dosing for HomeoPet products is on the packet. There is further dosing instructions on the website, so you can look at that as well. But really important is to follow the dosing instruction in the pack, because they are specific to each product and they do vary product to product. So once again, to reiterate with dosing, read what's on the packet. The beauty of homeopathic products is the wide variety of ways in which they can be given. And the first one I'm going to talk about is giving it directly to the pet. And in cats, you can do that by just lifting up the head. And normally when you lift up the head in cats, they open their mouth. And you can just drop in the remedy directly into the cat's mouth. Occasionally it might splash around the mouth or on the nose. That doesn't matter because the cat will lick it off. In dogs, it's very simple. You can just pull open the lip flap at the side of the mouth and you just drop it in. It doesn't even have to go inside the teeth or around the tongue. It can be just outside the teeth. Anywhere on the mucous membrane will do. The other way of administering it is to put it in the water. It can also be put into the food, and in some remedies, it can actually be given on the bedding. For example, with the anxiety remedies, you can put it in the bedding to give a constant evaporation of the remedy into the air, giving a constant calming effect. The next area that's very important is to be vigilant when you've administered a dose, to see what happens in the pet. And where one gets a good response, what one does is stop the remedy. You can always restart it if the symptoms reoccur. And this applies to even conditions like arthritis, where people don't expect them to go away. And with homeopathic remedies, they can disappear for a while and then come back and the remedy's restarted. The other possibility is that we get no response. And in those cases, as always, you should contact your veterinarian. HomeoPet products contain a small amount of alcohol, and it's very important when you're dealing with very small birds, small mammals, to follow the dosing instruction on the pack for diluting it for these species. The great thing with HomeoPet products in general is they're incredibly non-toxic, chemical-free, and that makes them ideally suited for use in lactating animals, pregnant animals, very elderly animals, very young animals. So it can be used right across the board in all types of animals, ages, and conditions. Finally, one of the things that you may come across when purchasing our product is the size of the bottle. One of the important things to remember with homeopathy is that its teeny little doses are very effective. And sometimes people look at other products and they see this great big bottle and think that's got to be good value. Just look at it dose for dose and you'll find that homeopathy and HomeoPet products are incredible value.